But at night they were having dreams and they were being taken away and married by spirits.
To number jono jubini kansa to worry inaoneka junindo juntieko dilek machuny marach macholo tero jonyuomo jobedo kirgijo.
And I was privileged to minister with her in a few conferences.
To dako dong nango silwany machwayo gi dako cha I kabedo mpokru pokere.
And many times these people will be on the worship team or some other important place in the church.
Aka number jono be junte ti kansil mpokru pokere cause take kifo mpokru pokere.
Now, I'm not accusing the worship team of doing this. Please understand.
Nyo aka number jono ilang ne junte te kenyo kifo injima jolam pako gilam.
But I'm telling you that Satan wants to defile the church in any way.
To wawachirin waka kwere nyalo beni ibinte ko number te kume. Waka wachi ni nyosa watu mribanja. To gimebari ngey nike jogi mituduwo kanisa kosa outpawere.
But you know what? If that's happening to you,
to kana bagino timere rin.
How can you tell somebody about it?
Ila wachi dani germene.
How will they understand you?
Tichako wani ano wachi number gimene antiere ka pa ko wera lamo to wor ka jogi nyoma kosa bedo gi jog. Ano wachi gimene di. Uchake wacho ne ni kolego wija pakir gilamo. Number paro no inte kenyo ilemo inte gichandro sana.
And when Satan does that, he gives these people special positions in his kingdom.
Manyo ni number jono bedo kenyo kiwacha dieri nitie recho mago wodhi iye akama dara kenyo timo tich fa werenti kifuono number jono nitie kifo ma jogi miyo jo iker ma pere koro macholo.
And the person is approached and feels very special.
Ni saman number ngato bedo kenyo to bedo fadano manyo nenere madala mamalo swa.
And this one person in particular, they had given her a wedding ring and they married her to a Muslim spirit.
Ni achiel kum number jama no angbe kansa no akama nya chunchun omigo ogo mogole gi jogi ma musuram timigo ring.
And during the deliverance the demons spoke.
Akama nyo hongo tundi kwayo region wangbot to jog chakolo.
And they said, we don't have to come out of her.
Tichako wan wakila wok ego.
Because we gave her a ring and she still has it. You see, if demons speak, when I'm going to be teaching you, usually it's to reveal what the legal contract is between the person.
Meno go temo wacho kosa wacho ni one thing ngat me rochik ma kos chikrok mo one thing gine kos mo keto gigo.
You see, things like rings and other things can carry demonic power in them.